Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Shadelle here. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new, welcome, and what's up? So today's video is in collaboration with Scarlet. So if you don't know about Scarlet is a makeup subscription for only $29.95 a month. Every 2 months they send you this nice little packaging with some makeup goodies in it. And so what I love about it is that every time they do it, it's in collaboration with a YouTuber. So today I'm going to be creating a work to happy hour makeup look for you guys using the Kim Tai Scarlet collaboration. Inside you get 3 eyeshadows, 2 lip colors, 1 blush, and a highlighter. And in this collaboration, the first time ever, a lip gloss, which lip gloss is super poppy, you guys. Like, I love it. It's like the perfect nude. So of course I definitely had to jump on it because these colors are definitely super cute, they're super fun, and they're definitely perfect for the spring and summertime. I'm just going to be creating this easy work look. It's very neutral that you can rock at work, and then when you're done you can transition to happy hour, and it's super easy. You don't have to worry about going home, redoing your face. So if you would like to see how I get these 2 looks using this one palette, keep watching. So I'm starting out, my face is already done, my contour is already done. I'm gonna go in with the, we can go ahead and close the lip colors. We can go ahead and keep this shut since we're not clipped yet. So I'm gonna go in with the Myth as a transition color. Now that I have Myth on, so the first look is our work look. So I'm gonna go in with Enchanted now, and I'm just gonna pop that bad boy one of my lids. Enchanted is super pretty. Oh my gosh, it's super pretty, you guys. I'm gonna go back in with Myth just to add a little more depth to it and to just bring everything together. I know for people that want to wear makeup in the office but necessarily like steer away from eyeshadow because they fear that they could be doing too much, like, oh my gosh, I don't want to come in here and people ask, why am I walking in there with a glam face? As you can see, this is very subtle and very simple, still giving you a nice makeup look, but very like where it's not like overpowering your face or you look too lit up. Now I'm gonna go in with Fairy Dust. That is the highlighter. Fairy Dust, and I'm just putting that on my brow bone to give it that pop. If I always have to choose between lipstick and a gloss, I'm gonna always go with gloss. I'm gonna take Love Spell. And honestly, boom, now we have our work look. I look very fresh, it looks very natural, and I don't look like I'm walking into America's Next Top Model, you know? Using this same work look, I'm gonna transform this into a nice happy hour look. So I'm gonna take the shade in Crown, and where I went in with Myth, I'm going to go in. Happy hour. Work. Happy hour. I think I'm gonna go in with Maiden. gonna pop Love Spell over Mating just to give it like a little bit of shine to it. And voila, happy hour. Did you ring? And that's it, you guys. So 1 palette, 2 looks. You can't go wrong with this, guy. If I had to choose my favorite in this palette, it would definitely be Enchanted and the gloss. Like, Enchanted is just so freaking pretty. It's just this nice rosy gold. Like, it's super pretty. And the quality is super amazing, you guys. So you can't go wrong. You saw how I easily created 2 looks just using 1 palette. And I don't usually wear eyeshadow without a freaking eyeliner. But this looks so good. It looks so natural, looks so subtle. And even though I have color, it's still like not too much. It's enough to go out for happy hour, but it's not like, oh my gosh, girl, what the heck just happened between you at the office and now. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would like to sign up for Deck of Scarlet, I will have the link in the description box below. The link will be in my description box. You guys can head over and sign up, and you'll get 30% off this Kim Kai edition. Let me guys know which look did you like the best. Did you like the work look, or do you like the happy hour look, or do you just like both? And thank you for tuning in. I will see you in my next video. Bye.